Welcome to Yo-Yo Kids Tube. Let's unlock your learning superpowers.
Hello everyone. Let's learn 50 kitchen object names.
Refrigerator. This is a refrigerator. Frying pan. This is a frying pan. Stove. This is a stove. Kettle. This is a kettle. Cooking pot. This is a cooking pot. Toaster. This is a toaster. Blender. This is a blender. Cutting board. This is a cutting board. Kitchen knife. This is a kitchen knife. Plate. This is a plate. Cup. This is a cup. Bowl. This is a bowl. Measuring cup. This is a measuring cup. Whisk. This is a whisk.
Rolling pin. This is a rolling pin. Mixing bowl. This is a mixing bowl. Fork. This is a fork. Spatula. This is a mixing spatula. Kitchen cabinet. This is a kitchen cabinet. Kitchen sink. This is a kitchen sink.
Dish rack. This is a dish rack. Water bottle. This is a water bottle.
Food container. This is a food container. Oven mitt. This is a oven mitt. Baking tray. This is a baking tray. Tongs. This is a tongs. Garlic press. This is a garlic press. Ladle. This is a ladle. Sugar jar. This is a sugar jar. Can opener. This is a can opener. Spice rack. This is a spice rack. Dish soap dispenser. This is a dish soap dispenser. Paper towel holder. This is a paper towel holder. Kitchen scale. This is a kitchen scale. Egg tray. This is an egg tray. Ice cube tray. This is an ice cube tray. Trash bin. This is a trash bin. Juicer. This is a juicer. Rice cooker. This is a rice cooker. Freezer. This is a freezer.